Mabetia mugwanja taure matemanetio ni bunge ya Meru mbere ya bunge ya Senate makwenda gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza abaguro. Gavana uyu ni areganite namo mothe.
The Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, how do you plead to the 7 charges? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Kugerera mawakiri ma county ya Meru Muthiomi Nkolu na Marias Manyara gatakataine ka maundu mare marenda eberio gituruini ni ubuthiri muru wa wobisi kwandika andu makonainie ugutwarithia na mbere tabarira ya okolea na mbeca cia county gatakataine ka mabitia mage undu uria wakiri wa Mwangaza Elisha Ongoya areganite naguo.
Our government vehicles have been staged to pursue the Okolea programs, which is a program not meant to help people, but to vilify leaders and other persons who are assumed not to be, to be raising any issue.
The next category of claims will be claims focusing on the person of the deputy governor. Focusing on the person of the deputy governor. I will address some of these claims briefly in the interest of time in my next limb. The next category of claims are just plainly false claims. One of the hardest part of my preparation for this case is how you prepare to respond to a lie, apart from saying, but it is a lie.
Mawakiri ma Kawira mugite gutire na uira muiganu wa gutuma bunge ya Senate kubagura gavana. Amumaya ni mabetia makwetherero mwaki uri orakiririo ni atongoria amwe a county ya Meru.
Governor took the posture of an innocent and vulnerable victim of toxic masculinity, harmful patriarchy, gender stereotyping, gender discrimination, and political machinations. And in short, the governor took the posture that if something went wrong in Meru, as we submit, something has been terribly wrong in Meru for a year now and counting, our defense was, it wasn't me.
Eventually, put this evidence on the weighing scale and come to a consensus conclusion that can we, in good conscience, remove a fellow citizen from the high office of governor on the strength of the material presented before us.
Gavana Kawira ugite mama maundu maria athitangĩirwo ni maretetwo mbere ya bunge ya Senate na kwa uguo ucio ni undu mubituke ni mabinda.
She tells you it is the enduring check. She tells you if our own officials, our own secretary, our own chief of staff has done anything wrong, even the things she acknowledged, she said they bear their own responsibility.
Which of those claims shows what action or inaction on the part of the governor?
Itua ria kana Kawira Mwangaza ni akathi na mbere gutwika gavana wa Meru kana ni akabaguro rikamenyeka muthi wa Jumatano riria bunge no igaikia kura. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Thitango Masi wa Dia wa Muriithi.